So we are going to do the vampire cough. Ready? So when you have to cough, you go like this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. You like that? And if you have to sneeze, you go, achis. Oh, oh, oh. You can also do the dab cough. Ready? Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba.